Let's begin.
मैं पता इतनी से नर्वस सी हो रही हूँ.
So there were two other kids in my school whose names were also Shayan. So I was like, yeah, just call me that. It's fine.
Just call me that.
Because he's tall.
You also don't follow me on Instagram. Okay.
What? इसको kills चाहिए. But now after talking to you,
अब
like,
इसको
I
दिल
feel
चाहिए. Guys.
like it is done. I'm so sorry.
कहाँ? Let's begin.
Let's begin.
मैं पता इतनी से नर्वस सी हो रही हूँ. I don't know why.
क्यों?
I don't know. It's just
That's why I
there.
showed you that video so that like even if your chair is broken, I know like you're nervous about the chair. But टूट भी गई तो फिर क्या
तो
हुआ यार?
हाँ मतलब
Can
कोई
still
बात
make
नहीं.
content.
बट ज्यादा नर्वस मैं इसलिए थी कि ओके आई एम टॉकिंग टू वन पर्सन हु आई रियली एंजॉय वाचिंग
Dude,
on social media and
thanks,
everywhere.
man.
So,
Where else? Where else have you seen me on the road?
on
ऐसे तो मैं
YouTube.
घूमते रहता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं on YouTube also.
Okay.
बट ज्यादातर
Okay,
अब
okay.
सोशल
On
मीडिया पे.
YouTube also.
सो
हाँ,
हम सबके बारे में बात करने वाले हैं अब. सो
सही है.
व्हाट्स अप, क्या चल रहा है अभी? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग आजकल?
अभी तो these days mostly first of all eating बहुत बहुत खा रहा हूँ. घर पे हूँ. मम्मी के हाथ का खाना खा के मतलब I'm not, मेरा दिल भर ही नहीं रहा. I'm just ठूसोing more and more. और बहुत
Okay.
सो
और वो
भी रहा
दिखता
हूँ.
नहीं है बट
तो
ओके.
क्यों सच नहीं बहुत ऐसे फेशियल मास्क बढ़ चुका है. सब आ रहा है अभी, सब आ रहा है.
नहीं
लेकिन
वो ना
अभी हाई डेफ पे
लाइक
वीडियोस
इट्स
बनाऊंगा
लाइक
तब समझ में आएगा.
यू नो ऑनेस्टली यू ऐसे आई डोंट नो, लोग कुछ लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट कहेंगे कुछ लोग क्या, बट यू हैव सच अ बेबी फेस.
Yeah, I know. I think I've started like trying to see the benefits. पहले
हाँ.
बहुत गुस्सा हो जाता था मैं अगर मेरे को बार में घुसने नहीं दिए. फिर then I realized like I guess people are just doing their job.
नहीं.
So
So okay, let's just tell everybody how what is your age? What is your age?
I am currently at the time of this recording I am 28 years old.
ओके लगा नहीं था बट ओके.
Isn't
अब
this
हम
how
फ्लर्ट
all
भी नहीं कर
28-year-olds
सकते.
look? ठीक है, I mean. But yeah, it's good only. Like I used to get really angry because I felt like because I had this face, people wouldn't take me seriously. So abhi like I feel like it's a benefit if people don't take me seriously. Because अगर कुछ उल्टा पुट्टा बोल दिया तो like लोगों को लगता है यार ये तो बच्चा ही है तो ऐसे ही करता है.
बच्चा ही
But I'm
है.
actually almost 30, so yeah.
That's so hard to
I
believe. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, what do
I
you
get
think?
away with a
What
lot
do you
more.
think about my age?
26.
I'm 21.
What happened?
Okay, ये कट हो गया. Sorry.
Dude.
No.
Fuck.
26
Sorry.
year old is playing PUBG. Okay. बहुत बढ़िया.
I am playing PUBG every night. वो भी कर रहा हूँ बहुत मैं. Like I'm playing a
अच्छा
lot of
हाँ.
PUBG also.
वो तो
So yeah.
ठीक है. हाँ, that's
So
okay.
sorry about that. But you seem like a lot more mature than like your age. So ये
बस
मेरा
यही सुनना
sting
था.
है.
You haven't watched my content for sure now. पता चल गया.
I have. But to talk to like you
Okay.
don't. You seem like a 26-year-old.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So अच्छा हाँ. Okay. ऐसे से ये अच्छी अच्छी बातें हो रही है. I have this question for you. You have a very likable personality. How?
Thanks, man.
Why are you so likable? I want to know.
Oh, what a loaded question. I think it comes down to the face only. Like like I said, like people think I'm harmless, so like they don't find much to hate me for. Like they just like ये कुछ नहीं करने वाला है. ये बस आया है वीडियोस बनाने, मीम्स बना रहा है और घर जा रहा है. किसी के मुंह नहीं लग रहा, तो या मे बी दैट्स व्हाई, आई डोंट नो,
बाकी
बिकॉज लाइक
थोड़ा सा बेबी फेस भी ऐड ऑन हो जाता है.
हाँ, because like in my day-to-day life, like I don't think all my friends like me that much. So maybe it's just like
ऐसा क्यों?
video
Why
पे
is
it comes
that?
through. मैं बहुत बकवास करता हूँ, दोस्तों का बहुत टाइम वेस्ट भी करता हूँ, लाइक
How?
जैसे कि मैंने अभी ये पॉडकास्ट चालू करने के पहले मैं तुमको एक YouTube वीडियो भेजी ना,
हाँ.
तो मैं दोस्तों के साथ भी यही करते रहता हूँ, बस वीडियोस दिखाते रहता हूँ, कभी बातें नहीं करता हूँ. तो या आई गेट लिटिल अनोइंग, आई गेस. इट इज व्हाट इट
ओके,
इज.
ऐसे थोड़ा सा डिस्क्लेमर दे देते हैं लोगों की. अभी ना while before we were starting to record this, मेरी चेयर टूट गई थी. So then he sent me a funny video कि watch this, so you won't feel that bad. So I was like okay.
Yeah.
So yeah,
And
that.
yeah, like I do have this one particular skill कि like I've spent so much time on YouTube. मैं अभी कितने साल हो गए मेरे YouTube पे बस वीडियोस देखे हुए हैं, like not even like making videos, कि I feel like I have a video for every occasion. Like कुछ भी हो जाए मैं like अभी like ये वीडियो देख, पहले ये वीडियो देख, exactly ऐसा ही हुआ अभी. तो that's a good thing and a bad thing. ये
नहीं,
चलते
that
रहता है
is
बट
actually a good thing. That is, well, ऐसा सबके साथ नहीं होता. Not everybody is like कि I have content to watch for every occasion or every situation. So yeah,
I have too much content to
yeah.
watch, so
Wow.
that's what's up.
अच्छा हाँ, okay. I have one confusion. Your name is Shayan or Shayan? Because I get confused. I have a friend whose name is Shayan. So
I'll tell you.
okay.
Okay.
हाँ.
So my name, like on my birth certificate, is Sayan. ठीक है?
हाँ.
But it's pronounced like my parents pronounce it as Shayon, which is how it's pronounced in Bengali. ठीक है?
Oh, अच्छा.
तो but अभी that's क्योंकि like Bengali में I guess there's no S sound, so सब श ही होता है, like
अच्छा.
Superman. हमारे सब comics में Superman, Spider-Man. तो मैं I grew up reading a lot of Spider-Man. So yeah, I'm a big fan. But yeah, so when I shifted to Bombay from Shillong, nobody understood my name and everybody started calling me Sayan. ठीक है, वो मेरा नाम तो है नहीं. And also there's a place in Bombay called Sayan, SION, like Science Circle. तो सब लोग मुझे Science Circle बुलाने लगे. So I was like, ये तो चलने नहीं वाला है. So there were two other kids in my school whose names were also Shayan. So I was like, yeah, just call me that. It's fine.
Just call me that.
Like,
ये चलेगा.
I was like, I'm like, it's easy for you to understand, then like I'll play to my audience. And yeah, since then I just gotten used to like Shayan, and that just stuck. But yeah, like Bengali people call me Shayon. My family calls me Remo, which is my pet name. So
pet name
फिर तो ये
reveal,
सवाल ही
guys.
नहीं उठता है. Pet name reveal at 500k views, 500k subs.
काश मेरे ऐसे पता है मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स बहुत ऐसे धीरे धीरे बढ़ते हैं ना, मैं क्या ही कहूँ. It's just so sad.
तो क्या हुआ, like I guess like if you have like it's like a cult thing, you know, like you have people who are following you and like they're following you, not like, you know, like it's not fair weather fans, you know what I mean?
Right.
Like बस एक ऐसा वीडियो कुछ blow up हो गया तो ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग आ गए, and like these people are steadily following you over like a period of time. So I guess that's a good thing. It's nice.
That is also right.
मेरा तो YouTube है भी नहीं.
हाँ, मेरे को एक्चुअली इसके बारे में बात करनी थी. Like you have actually been on YouTube, but you don't have your own channel yet. So why is that? Why?
That's because I am lazy as hell, dude. That's the only answer.
You know,
like,
when you said when you said lazy, मेरे को ना वो वीडियो याद आ गया, trying to wake up, ऐसा कुछ था, sleep video, ऐसा कुछ.
Like ऐसा कभी कुछ मैंने स्क्रिप्टेड बनाया ही नहीं है. सब इट्स एक्चुअली अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो भी BuzzFeed पे है, वो सब फाउंड फुटेज है, CCTV फुटेज है वो सब. तो या बट या लाइक एट BuzzFeed लाइक बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाए लाइक हमने लाइक एज द टीम. तो वो वीडियोस है ही, लाइक पीपल स्टिल लाइक talk to me about those videos and I'm still making videos with BuzzFeed. तो like वो अभी भी चले जा रहा है. but अभी like YouTube channel खोलने के लिए, like I don't know, I'm just procrastinating honestly, because I feel like I'm a little nervous about that also.
Okay,
Because I feel
but
like,
if you okay, go on.
no, I was just like, I just feel like to be on YouTube, like when I was working with BuzzFeed, like YouTube videos became my full-time job, you know.
Hmm.
So I take it like very seriously. Like I can't just make a YouTube channel and then upload like once in a while without a plan and stuff. So dhire dhire I've just been making that plan, and then like now I have too much of a plan and like no action. So eventually I'll have to start. So I'm getting there. Hopefully just a little longer, maybe sooner
Okay.
than later, by the grace of
So
God.
coming to your YouTube channel, if it whenever it happens, content क्या
Hmm.
होगा? What are you planning if it happens? Because you do a lot of things, and मेरे को recently पता चला
Yeah,
that you are into like music and everything. मुझे थोड़ा कम ज्ञान है,
yeah.
so yeah.
कोई बात नहीं, मुझे भी काफी कम ज्ञान है. तो
Okay.
like I'm glad you mentioned that, because actually now I'm concentrating mostly on music only. Like
Yeah, I've seen
that's
your
my main
stories and
focus.
everything, तो मेरे को आया दिमाग में.
सही है, you have a keen mind, Kriti. So yeah, so obviously like music's gonna be a big part of it, but I think I'm gonna be like doing like a lot of different stuff with it. Shayad, like I don't think I'll be making like too many sketches right now. I don't really have that in my mind. Kyunki when I was at BuzzFeed, like I used to enjoy doing the IRL like test videos and like
हाँ.
trying new things out, and like the three generations video that I'd done with my grandma and my mom. That is like one of my favorite videos, and I just like doing stuff like that. So if I'm at home, I'll definitely involve my family a lot also. अभी मम्मी पापा के साथ हूँ घर पे, तो definitely उनको बहुत exploit करना है views के लिए, because it's very easy to do that. And
Right.
that, so yeah, I guess it'll be a mix of stuff, but I'm still excited, even nervous but excited, because it'll just be like only my stuff. So yeah, I need a logo also. If anybody wants to help me with a logo, just call me.
Shayan, I'd like to tell you that I'm a graphic designer.
Okay, don't call me. काम हो चुका है. Great, this worked out fine.
Okay.
Perfect.
Anyway, नहीं, एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर जो भी ड्रॉप आउट हो चुका है, सो ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
My favorite graphic designers are dropouts. Facts. Facts.
यस गाइस. ओके, सो हमने बसफीड की थोड़ी सी बात की, बट काफी, सो येस्टरडे एक्चुअली बिफोर डूइंग दिस पॉडकास्ट मैंने कल ना पोल डाला था. पोल नहीं, आई पुट अ स्टोरी जिसमें था कि सेंड इन योर क्वेश्चंस फॉर शयान. ठीक है.
What?
सो
Did you tag me? I
नो
didn't
आई
know.
डिड.
You tagged me? Oh, guess I didn't
Yeah.
see it. But
Yeah.
yeah.
So अरे नहीं, ताकि I didn't want you to share it or anything कहीं पे, ताकि
Oh
एकदम
yeah,
वो है.
because then yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I like that. Okay, cool.
हाँ, so मैंने
Cool. That's
थोड़ा
great.
subtle रखने के लिए I just asked people who from my
हाँ.
following would know you and they would ask questions. So सबसे ज्यादा questions, हम questions को बाद में आंसर करेंगे, but सबसे ज्यादा जो asked चीज थी ना, it was about being on BuzzFeed. So
What about?
हाँ, मैं बता रही, तो बहुत सारी चीजें इसमें मैं.
Okay.
So
Oh, there were
like
multiple.
first
Okay.
सबसे पहले जो सवाल है कि how did that happen and how old were you, कब हुआ ये, when did you join,
Okay,
and
I'll
what was
tell
your
you. Okay,
job?
so like, yeah, it's a cool story actually. I say
Okay.
it very well also.
Okay.
But no, I don't actually. But yeah, I'll take you to the start. I was born in 1992. Actually, I think that's two behind. I'll take you to like 2012, 13. I was in like my second, third year of college. And BuzzFeed तभी US में नया नया start हुआ था, तो I was a huge fan of BuzzFeed. मतलब college में instead of like concentrating on like क्लास में क्या हो रहा था, मैं ऐसे फोन पे नहीं तो लैपटॉप पे, तभी लैपटॉप पे BuzzFeed पढ़ते रहता था. I used to just keep reading BuzzFeed. I was like, हाँ, अगर like if BuzzFeed ever comes to India, then I'll definitely apply. तो
As what?
BuzzFeed as a writer only, because I was like I graduated as a copywriter and advertising. तो मुझे
अच्छा.
writing का बहुत शौक था, but मुझे लगता था like writing at BuzzFeed is like a good progression for me. Like मेरा it suits my style. I can't write much. I write little only. So
Yeah.
like yeah, it just worked for like BuzzFeed's formats at the time. So around 2014, I think BuzzFeed came to India. If I'm wrong about that, sorry, Rega. And I found out from a friend of a friend who happened to be also Nirali Shah's friend. So he was also my friend. So he's like, dude, my friend Nirali started working at BuzzFeed. Why don't you apply? I'm like, what? BuzzFeed's in India? What? And then I applied. I don't know how. I never found out that they were here, but like, thankfully, sooner rather than later. So I was like, I think I was like the fifth or sixth person to join. So like, part of the first people at BuzzFeed.
Oh.
And first 1.5 years मैंने बस वही किया, like उनके website पे articles लिखे. Like I started with lists, then I started doing like different things, you know, like BuzzFeed. Like obviously if you've been on the website, you know that they have a lot of different formats like quizzes, ये वो कुछ कुछ भी होता है उस पे. तो like now it's actually like even better, I think. But yeah, so I started doing that. Then first 1.5 years ऐसे किया. फिर why did I start making videos? Oh yeah, so I started making like video memes, ऐसे like छोटे memes Facebook के लिए. तभी like we didn't post on Instagram that much, I think. But ऐसे just for time pass ऐसे video memes बनाने के लिए I learned how to edit. Umang Athwani taught me how to edit. Thank you, Umang. Shout out. So, and I just fell in love with like the editing part of it, you know, because like I've been making music also for a long time. So like editing music and video has like some similarities. तो मुझे बहुत natural सा लगा वो process. And वही करते करते like we started writing videos for YouTube also, क्योंकि 2 साल बाद we started concentrating on BuzzFeed India's YouTube channel. And because we used to all make our own videos and like act in each other's videos, I started acting in some videos and like doing all these taste tests and stuff like that. And then just like, yeah, like it just kind of blew up at the time. And then I was like, partly I was like, I love this attention, one, and two, video is super fun as like a storytelling medium also, you know. Like I've been writing for a while, but like I felt like a much bigger canvas. So I was like, abhi to main yehi karne wala hu. So then the next 3-4 years I just did that. I'm still like doing video even though I'm doing music. And yeah, now I'm 28. Oh, also I was I think 22 when I joined BuzzFeed.
And when you left, you were 27.
Yeah, yeah, like last December is when I stopped working there full time. So I'm still working with them, like in the sense I'm on their creators program. There's this international
Acha.
creators program where like I can like, obviously I can like start my own YouTube. I can do like whatever I want, but I'm still working with them on videos and
It's
stuff. So
जैसे
yeah.
like what I think it's not more of a contract basis पे उतना नहीं है जैसे पहले होता होगा.
हाँ, yeah. It's more like a project basis kind of a thing.
Okay.
So yeah, it's
Interesting
nice. It's still
story.
fun. Yeah, cool. I said it well also.
So cute. Okay. So you started as a writer and then you shifted to videos. So what do you enjoy more now? If you're given a choice.
Between just the two, honestly, I think even in video, like writing is involved. तो अगर मैं videos बना भी रहा हूँ तो like if I'm like scripting something, I feel like writing is a very important part of scripting. Otherwise, there will be no words in the script. So I think writing is like what comes essentially to me, and like videos like a extension of that.
Okay. अभी comments में भी आने वाले हैं सुकृति नूप वीडियोस बनाते हुए इसको पता नहीं कि राइटिंग इन्वॉल्व होती है. वेरी नाइस.
नहीं अरे वो बात नहीं है. अभी IRL वीडियो के अगर टेस्ट बना तो उसके स्क्रिप्ट थोड़ी चाहिए. बट लाइक या तो लाइक या सुकृति स्मार्ट AF in chat.
Yes. Okay. So, okay. Coming to another question. मैंने बहुत सारे, मेरे पास इतने सारे सवाल हैं, I'm confused किस ऑर्डर में पूछूं. Wow. Okay.
कोई भी
Okay.
फिबोनाची सीक्वेंस में पूछो.
हाँ,
पहले
क्या?
पहले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2 बार, फिर सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फिर थर्ड क्वेश्चन, फिर क्वेश्चन 5, फिर क्वेश्चन 8.
ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? What is
It's a
this?
stupid sequence.
अच्छा.
It's just this mathematical sequence.
Wow.
उसमें मत पूछो, please just ask however you are asking.
Okay,
Don't
okay,
mind me,
okay.
मैं ऐसे बकवास करते रहता हूँ. See,
That's
this is why my
okay.
friends kind of don't like me, because half the time I'm just talking garbage.
But then there are 62,000 people who do like you on the internet, so that's okay.
That's good enough for me. That's a good number.
As of today.
I'm fine
so.
with it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't need friends. It's chill.
Okay.
Bye, friends.
So where are you right now? Are you in Mumbai or are you? Where
No,
are you?
I'm in Baroda right now. So
Acha.
I was in Mumbai for the first 3 months of the lockdown.
Hmm.
Then Jabi, like, they opened it up for a couple of weeks. I drove down to Baroda. Like, didn't drive down. I was in the car. I was in a car to Baroda, and yeah, driving down would be insane. But yeah, like अभी 1 महीने से बड़ौदा में हूँ.
Okay.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. My skin's like the glow has come back to my skin.
Honestly, I mean,
Nice.
मेरी भी skin बहुत अच्छी हो गई है एकदम for some reason.
हाँ.
So मैंने ऐसे ही बता दिया.
It's great only. Like, I feel like lockdown is treating some people well.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
some people not so well, but some people are just glowing. So that's good.
Okay, now I would like to ask you about content marketing. मेरा पहले होना था influencer marketing, but content marketing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What is content marketing?
मेरे को पूछ रहा था. I wanted to ask you what is content marketing. Let's Google it.
What is content marketing? You mean like
Because
when you work
okay.
with like brands and stuff for your content?
Okay.
Like that?
According to my understanding, like how you put those articles about certain, for example, listicles हो गया कुछ on BuzzFeed or something. Getting my point? Something around
About
that.
like say like a Amazon article, like of just Amazon products, like that.
हाँ, maybe something like that. मैं एक बार I'm just
Yeah.
confirming on Google. Wait.
हाँ.
What content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. Yes.
So this only, right?
हाँ, that only.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, what is your question? How do I feel about content marketing? I
नहीं,
feel good.
because
Okay, no.
हाँ. This podcast is such a fail. Oh my god.
I love content marketing. If anybody wants to do content marketing with me, call me. Give me
Okay.
money.
Okay. चलो, content marketing, influencer marketing. Talk about.
I love influencer marketing. If anyone wants to do influencer marketing with me, just call me. Call me. Okay. No,
So
but yeah,
how has it been working with brands and everything? Your experience and everything.
So yeah, it's I think it's been, like I said, it's been interesting. Like, you get to work with a lot of cool people, but abhi, like, especially lockdown ke time, like, doing everything yourself can sometimes be like damn tough. Kyuki, like, I've been used to working in a team for so long. Like BuzzFeed mein, like, we had this one very small but very like like all the skills were there in that full team, you know. So like everyone could help each other out. So like working with brands on my own, kabhi like I'm like, oh shit, I need some support, man. So like doing everything on your own is damn stressful sometimes. But yeah, like and also, like, so far I've gotten to work with brands, thankfully, like, who just want to do cool stuff with me based on like what I'm good at. And I like doing that. So as long as like it's something that like you'd enjoy making organically, like I'm all for it. I think it's a nice way to make money rather than like
That's
waste
actually
money.
right, because there are some people, some brands who would want you to do certain things certain way. कि इस brand को आप ऐसे
Hmm.
ही just put it out there like this, and they don't really
Hmm.
care about what content you do. So
Hmm.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
interesting that you have
that'll
got
always
good
be there.
brands.
Yeah, hopefully, like hopefully that continues also. Like I've always enjoyed the work that I've done with them. So yeah, and like some really cool projects also. Like I've met like a lot of good musicians because of like a couple of projects I did recently. So that's gonna lead to like some other music hopefully down the line. So has its benefits. It's a good way to network also, I guess. Just
Right.
just open to influencer marketing, guys.
Okay. So another question for you
Yeah.
is, कि I want
Okay.
to know some behind the scenes or something which happened off camera या कुछ ऐसा कुछ while some shoots or anything which you really wanted to put but because of certain reasons you could not put it out there.
Man, I'll tell you. Okay. One of my favorite experiences ever on a BuzzFeed video. Superwoman, Supriya
Yeah,
Joshi,
yeah, yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
comedian.
yeah.
She is, first of all, she's one of my favorite stand-up comics ever. Okay, so shout out Supriya. But also like she is so funny in person. ठीक है? तो एक बार क्या हुआ था ना, we were doing this video where we were getting people drunk and asking them to solve maths questions. ठीक है?
Hmm.
So Supriya was part of that video, and like we got her really drunk, and she was like solving all these maths questions. She was damn annoyed. She was like not having fun. She's like, I hate maths. I hate maths.
Hmm.
Okay. And then there was like this 30-40 second like rant she went on. Suddenly, instead of like, she was like, "Ye maths kaise like kaise karu?" Suddenly she was like, "Fuck math, fuck math. I don't need this shit. We have calculator." And like I like we were all like on the floor, like nobody was checking sound, nobody was checking frame, सब
हाँ.
लोग ऐसे चुपचाप हंस रहे थे. And like we couldn't ever put out that video on YouTube because like I don't think we would have been able to monetize that video much.
Yeah.
So that's why that went to the cutting floor. But yeah, I still have that clip like
You can use
somewhere.
it as your content sometime.
I hope BuzzFeed uses it as their content because that is honestly gold. It needs to be up online. So BuzzFeed India, like, please post "Fuck Math" by Supriya Joshi. It's my favorite song.
So okay, so मुझे याद आया, another person you think you really enjoy working with
Like from BuzzFeed or just in my life?
in general. It could be from BuzzFeed, it could be from anywhere.
So like I think I like was fortunate to be like at a company in a time where it felt like there were a lot of like brilliant minds coming through that company, and like it felt a little surreal, like everyone's was there, and like some of them are still there, some of them have moved on and doing like really good stuff. So those people are like great. And but like I guess one in particular person would have to be Rega Jha, because she first of all, um she hired me, okay, when like nobody, like that time I was like nobody, I was just like coming out of college, I'd quit my job, I was freelancing for some website, and we had an interview, and like she saw my writing, and like I think I work best when someone has confidence in me. So like if someone shows that confidence, like, yeah, I'm gonna let you do this thing, and like I know that you can do something good. That's when I work best. So like I will forever be grateful to Rega Jha for that opportunity. And like look what it's led to. Like I spent 5 years there, like five of the most fun years of my life. Met so many important people, learned so much stuff. So yeah, and like from Rega also in particular, like I learned so much. Like she hates this, but like I call her like my mentor and my idol, and she's just go like so it's fine. That's the price you pay for being an influential person, I guess. You just have
Okay.
to
That's
sometimes.
sweet.
But
That's
yeah, so like if she didn't hire me, then like probably none of this would have happened the way it did. So I'm really grateful to her, and she's also a really cool person. So shout out Roga Jo.
okay. So about the learnings and all of this you're talking about. So what is that one thing you learned over there in BuzzFeed, and which you think is there with you for life, and you are grateful to BuzzFeed for that?
So definitely it's that I don't think it's like a very like technical thing that I learned, but something that was instilled in me while I was working at BuzzFeed was just be open to change. And I think that's important because like you will also know this, like we're working on a medium like the internet, which changes so fast. Like 2 years back, like it looks so different. 5 years down the line, like you never know what it's gonna look like, you know.
Hmm.
So we embrace that while working at BuzzFeed also. तो मैं writers से पहले video editor बना, फिर video editor से like I started being in the videos. So like just like trying out all the new things and seeing what works for you rather than just like rejecting like new developments and new innovations and just sticking to what you're good at. I think will only get you so far like when you're working as a content creator. तो that was something like मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे घुस के बैठ गया when I was at BuzzFeed, and like that never leaves. So now also I'm just like, yeah, what's the next cool thing, and like how can I be part of it also. I think that's a good way to grow. It's a good way to grow. Influencer marketing.
Okay. So next सवाल मेरे आपके लिए ये है कि you talked about this content creation and everything. What do you think if somebody who is not from this content creation background or creative background, for example, that person is an engineer, or if that person just did something in medicine or CA and now is interested and has this mind of content creator, how do you think that person can
Should
fit in or
I
something
think
like
they should just make content about what they're good at. Like for example, like if you're an engineer, whatever, like there are see like there are stuff like everyone's nerdy about. Like I'm nerdy about music. What are you
that?
nerdy about? What are you nerdy about, Sukriti?
Films.
Films. So yeah, like same, same. We'll
Yeah.
discuss films also. Okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, so like nowadays, like I say YouTube pe, because I've gone off the deep end, I've found like so many channels. There's one channel called Nile Red who only does like chemical experiments. Okay, like just random chemical experiments with which like look good on camera, or just like they're just very interesting to look at. 20-30 minute videos, and he's got millions. I think he's got like over 1 million followers, probably a lot more. एंड तुमने कभी ये वीडियो देखी है क्या, हाइड्रोलिक प्रेस? ये वीडियोस यू सीन ऑन यूट्यूब. there's this guy. I think he's this Russian guy. उसके पास एक हाइड्रोलिक प्रेस है, वो लाइक मेटल करके just makes everything chapta, right? So he just like makes things chapta on his channel, and he's also got millions of views. And like there's like people who like there's like multiple channels who just do that now. They're just like breaking stuff or burning stuff.
हाँ,
like,
okay. Yeah, I've seen these
देखा होगा
breaking
तुमने,
stuff वाले.
बारबी डॉल कुचला था, बारबी डॉल. वो मेरा फेवरेट है. I don't know why. It's not, I don't know. I just like the way I think the Barbie doll caught fire or something. Something caught fire. Whatever that video is my favorite video. But like the point I was trying to get at is like make content about what you know and like what you're good at. And like there's obviously going to be like stuff that works on the internet, and like stuff that people are doing which you can also be doing. But yeah, if you stick to like what you're good at, I feel like eventually the people will come. I don't know, but at least you will be happy. Like तुमको तो मजा आ रहा होगा अपनी videos बना के. So that's a good thing, right?
Question.
Yeah. You can raise hand on Zoom also, but say.
Okay. So anyway, I was asking, but what if this person uh, wants to do यही थोड़ा comedy थोड़ा करना है और like make this make his or her content very entertaining. उसको अपने जॉनर से अलग रखना है, ठीक है, लाइक व्हाट द पर्सन इज गुड एट, मतलब इंजीनियर है, उसको इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना, बट दैट पर्सन वांट्स टू डू something entertaining because he's like, yeah, this is something I enjoy watching, so I want to create this now as a.
I get it. Yeah, you can do that also, but like I think like if it's something like being funny, when you're trying to make like content out of it, I think like the ball game is a little different, you know, because like I think some people can be like really funny in person, but not like everyone should go and do stand up, because like not everybody is good at stand up. It's like slightly different, and I think like maybe for, and this is just my personal opinion, but like for content creation, maybe it's something like that also, maybe to not the same extent as like stand up, but like you need to be like aware of like stuff like timing and things like that, like on camera, and like what will like people laugh at like when they're watching a video. So wo awareness bhi honi chahiye. So that can come by like just studying like your favorite videos, you know. Like I don't think even I had any qualification as such to make videos online, because when I started like working at BuzzFeed, I had no video skills. Like everything was taught to me on the job, and all the videos we made, like we just made it because we have like watched like some videos over our lives, and like we were like, this is really funny, and so we just like put our understanding to it, and some of it worked, some of it didn't. So I guess what I'm trying to say is work hard
or understand things better.
Yeah, like yeah, I think an education is good, but like the good thing about like content creation and like on YouTube is like the education is just watch more videos, just watch a hell lot of videos, see what's funny, and like see what you can do, and then just run with it. So yeah, people can do anything, man. People can do anything.
Gyan, guys. Motivation talks with Shaya. Yes. Okay, so that's that. Now we're gonna talk about what else? Okay, yes. Interesting question again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are these all questions like from your followers or what? Or these are all your questions? Oh, because they are great questions. So,
yeah.
Props.
फॉलोअर्स ने जो पूछे वो मैं बाद में एंड में पूछूंगी, सारे बसफीड में कैसे आए ऐसे वाले क्वेश्चंस है. सो
ठीक है.
हाँ, so anyway, so everybody knows you right now as Shayan from BuzzFeed. ठीक है. How are you planning to separate this Shayan from BuzzFeed and work on your personal brand?
I think my personal brand was on BuzzFeed only. Like it's like Shayan on BuzzFeed like was not very different from how I am in like outside of BuzzFeed, like at least content wise, you know. Like in person everyone will tell you that I'm very quiet and just very like hardworking, and did I mention quiet? No, I'm just kidding. I'm none of those things. But
you are not quiet. You do seem like, but okay.
I seem quiet.
I have played PUBG with you. I'm just saying.
When did we play PUBG? We have played PUBG long time ago, na? Yeah. Abhi yaad hai mujhe. Was I quiet?
Yeah.
That's because when I'm playing PUBG, I'm concentrating on getting chicken dinner for the family. It's not a joke. PUBG is not a joke to me. So I'm like working that time. I'm getting bread. So that's why I was not talking. What was the question?
Yeah, personal branding. How do you plan to build a personal brand?
So yeah, like I'm just gonna like keep doing what I was doing at BuzzFeed. Obviously, like in terms of formats and videos, I'm gonna be doing different stuff, like stuff which I want to do. But like the personality that I developed online, it happened only because of BuzzFeed, and like it happened there. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि like मैं ये बस job पे करा था, और like outside of that I have some other like personality in mind. It's the same thing only. And I think that's good also, because like I spent time building that, and like now I want to take it forward to a place and like see what I can do with it, you know. But like we like I think the music part is also like very interesting to me, kyunki that's like very different from like what I've been doing for the last 5 years. So even I don't really know like where that's gonna go. So right now I'm just like doing, like not thinking much, just doing. Less think, just do. Just
मैं
do.
ये मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन भी आंसर हो गया इसमें. What are your future
हाँ क्या था
plans?
क्वेश्चन क्या? Oh, just do.
Okay,
Okay, yeah,
so
like I can't like look too far beyond like a few months. Like this time next year, पता नहीं क्या करने वाला हूँ मैं. But like right now, I have like some really cool stuff that I'm doing for the next 3 or 4 months, working with some really good musicians. Really good
I'm
musicians, bro.
excited. I'm
Even I'm
excited.
damn excited. So
So
yeah,
yeah, but what is your
I'm really
like
looking forward
dynamic
to that.
with music? What is it? मतलब I never knew that you were into music before you started posting
Hmm.
on your stories and your posts and everything.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy because like I've been doing like making music for a lot longer than like I've been making videos actually. Like since I was like 13, 14, 15 years old, like I started writing music for the first time. And then by the time I was 17, 18, like I started singing. I was like in a band and all. And then like wo chalta gaya. And then while I was at BuzzFeed, I did a little bit of music here and there, and I did like a couple of really cool tracks with mostly with Malfunction. He's this Bangalore producer, so shout out Malfunction. Check out
I think I
Malfunction's
did
music.
see it when you put some story. I think I have seen this one.
Yeah, so like when so like when we made a song together, like then like music started coming back to my life in a big way, and I was like, oh shit, yeah, मैं तो ये भी करता था. And then like I just realized like more and more, like the more like time pass hote gaya, I just realized like I feel like I need to like pay more attention to this music thing, when like before it's like too late to like just do it. uh yeah, I just want to do it while I'm still like not too old. So yeah, just it's time now.
Do
It's
you
time to
play any
listen to my
instrument?
beats.
Do you play any
I
instrument?
play a little. I play a little bit of guitar. I play a
Okay.
little bit of drums. I've mostly been a vocalist. I rap. I sing. I scream and I cry. Those are my four main instruments.
Wow.
Crying being my best. I have been playing that instrument for 28 years, like a boss. So watch out for the tears mixtape. It's man, it's gonna be so salty. Get it because of the tears.
I got
Like
the
the
joke. I
salt.
got the
Okay,
joke.
okay.
Okay. Like, that's you are very cute. Now I'm gonna ask you the questions. Question time.
Okay. From your followers.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know why I'm like damn excited. So yeah, please.
Okay. How
I don't
is
like
it?
the sound of that.
What?
Your just seemed like कुछ scene होने वाला है अभी.
नहीं मतलब सारे बहुत क्लीशे सवाल है. सो कुछ लोगों ने मेरे से
Okay.
सवाल पूछ लिए, उसको मैं बाद में आंसर करूंगी. But okay. How is it
Now
working with
is my
BuzzFeed?
time.
Who is your favorite person from BuzzFeed India?
Working at BuzzFeed was great. It was like I said, it was like the most fun 5 years of my life. I don't think I'll get like that kind of level of fun no matter what I do right now. Okay, that's just like I've understood and I've accepted that fact. And my favorite person at BuzzFeed, hmm, all things considered, Sahil Rizwan.
Okay.
He's the
Because
best.
who I
Because
don't know who
okay,
who's
Sahil
this person.
Rizwan. I don't know. You must have heard of the Vigil Idiot. It was this comic which does like reviews of movies and stuff. So Sahil used to write the Vigil Idiot. So
Oh.
he's got many Twitter followers, and he doesn't follow me on Twitter still, which is fine. But I like him because he's
You
tall.
also don't follow me on Instagram. Okay.
What? I don't, bro. What, dude? Wait one sec.
Guys,
Hey, it is done. I'm so sorry. It is done.
पॉडकास्ट में मैंने अच्छा काम कराए हैं, कर्म कराए हैं कुछ.
It's fine. Like I said, Sahil doesn't follow me on Twitter, but he's still like my favorite because he's the tallest. Because I'm only 5'6", and I feel like he gives me a different perspective because he's tall.
Different perspective because he's tall.
He gives me like a 6'3" perspective. It's very different. It's great. Like I think he doesn't abuse his tallness. Like Sahil doesn't be like, "Hey, kya hai udhar?" types. Like he's very
He
respectful of
doesn't
my
bully.
height
He
also.
doesn't bully.
Yeah, he's not a bully. So yeah, he's just too chill. So if I had to pick one, it would be him.
Okay,
Tall
two
Sahil.
people from OK Tested have sent a message for you.
Oh my god.
Kanish
What
says, "God damn,"
Oh.
and
Oh man.
next person,
No
Pavitra
smileys or just
says,
goddamn.
"Yeah, that's it.
Just
That's all."
goddamn. No smileys. Okay, fine. I thought he had said more smileys,
No,
but
no
it's fine.
smiley. Then Pavitra Parudhi says, "Tell him that I love him and he should do hardcore content again. All time favorite hai ye."
Thank you, man. Dude, I will use that as inspiration to actually start my YouTube channel because it's coming from creators. So I respect that
Yes.
and I appreciate that. Thank you. Shout out. Okay, tested.
Yes. So, अगला क्वेश्चन भी यही था, how he got a job in BuzzFeed. ये तो we have answered.
Ha ha ha.
Hmm.
Just go back to like whatever timestamp. अभी सुकृति इधर timestamp डाल देना,
हाँ,
ठीक
I'll
है?
put it here. यहाँ पे.
हाँ. Okay.
Okay.
Editing,
Next.
baby.
Oh my God. Next question. 4 भेजे questions में, ठीक है? 4 बारी. Arushi Sharma has sent this.
Okay. Okay.
And
Hey Arushi,
how does it
what is your
feel to
four
share your
question?
birthday with Arushi? He knows I have spanned him. Love, fellow Taurian and cosmic twin.
It feels great. Obviously, it feels great.
And then she has
May the
also
fourth
asked,
be with you, bro.
she has also asked, when will you give us the Patwal recipe? Aru, your cosmic twin.
The Padwal recipe is
Padwal.
coming. Much as I hate
क्या
to say
होता है?
it,
क्या
the
होता है वो मेरे को नहीं
Padwal,
बोल.
अच्छा ठीक है. Padwal is this vegetable, ठीक है? I
हाँ,
hate Padwal. It's like the worst vegetable in the
हाँ.
world. And like I'm not about like negative vibes online or anywhere, but like fuck Padwal, bro. Like I hate it. Like oh my god, it tastes like I don't even know what it tastes like. Like it's just whatever. It's like just don't try it. ठीक है? तुमको
Okay.
जो भी पसंद है अभी just stick to that. Just don't try Padwal. But some people like Padwal and they know that I hate it. तो जब भी मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछता हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ आंसर आता है पड़वल एंड लाइक नेक्स्ट
अच्छा,
मम्मी क्या रेसिपी
ओ.
बनाएंगी बताओ उसमें से कुछ 20-30 तो थे ही पड़वल तो मम्मी ने सुना है ये एंड एज मच एज आई हेट टू से इट शी इज गोइंग टू अपलोड अ पड़वल रेसिपी सून तो
And
that'll
then
probably be my best video because I'll be screaming and crying for the whole video.
then Arushi ने मुझे threat दिया है, ask him or I'll kill you. Okay. Arushi, I've asked.
Yo,
Don't kill
Arushi,
me.
please don't kill Sukriti. Killing is generally bad, so just stay away from that line of work.
Okay. Someone asked, is he saying Srishti? Seeing, I think. saying like
Am I
Srishti
saying
होगा.
Srishti? I am now Srishti. Srishti. No, dude. Srishti and I are like brother sisters. If possible, we are like brothers or sisters more than brother sisters. But like we have a very like sibling relationship. And if you ask her this, also she will be like, and then she'll probably say the same thing. So no. To
अरे
answer your
मुझे
question.
एक वीडियो में बहुत आया था that you look like सृष्टि पैच. फिर मैंने but then I kind
Oh,
of
you
compared.
do.
Is it? No.
Uh, I don't see it.
Yes, exactly, guys. She looks much
Sorry.
more prettier.
No,
Okay.
you all both look different. That's not what I said. That's not what I said.
Anyway, I think okay, huh. When will he do another food challenge on BuzzFeed?
Oh man, I guess probably after lockdown, hopefully, क्योंकि अभी तो होने वाला
अभी
है नहीं.
हाँ.
Unless you can do it at home. Let me talk to BuzzFeed. Okay, hello BuzzFeed. We'll talk. Maybe because like I just like making like those food challenge videos and stuff with my parents and like my family in general.
Yeah.
तो अभी वो लोग घर पे है, मैं भी घर पे हूँ, तो maybe soon. You don't know. You never know. You never know. You never know.
Okay.
You never
But was it me? I have a little story. You know, I think
know.
the first video I actually saw of you in BuzzFeed was this one, Ultimate Spice Food Challenge, something like this, where you
Oh
had death
yeah,
wings. And
yeah.
then I was so amused. मैं कहा मेरे को भी खाना है death wings. Then I went and I did at the same challenge, the death wings challenge I did with a friend. So I was like, ये बहुत
And
सही है. And nothing.
was it? Did you die?
It was fine. I
Nothing.
liked it. I liked it. ये है दिल्ली का खून.
Yeah. I don't know why. Like I feel like I can eat a lot of spicy stuff, but like when it comes time to perform, I always fail.
No, I loved it. मेरे को तो बहुत tasty लगा. In fact, if I go ऐसे, I would go and order death wings and have it. This
Wow.
that.
I'm happy for you then, I guess. I also love death wings, but like I कुछ ज्यादा ही पसीने आ जाते हैं. I don't like sweating, man. Sweating is not good for the environment. You know what I mean?
Okay. Next सवाल. How did you get into BuzzFeed हो गया? And are you qualified for the same or did you change your stream? Okay. You did do copywriting and everything now.
Yeah, like I was a writer only. Like
Ah.
I think that's actually like a cool question because like there's like many ways. Like if you're looking to actually like get into like one of these companies and like work with them, there's so many things you can do. You know, you can be a writer, you can be like a production person, you can be like something else, and then once you're there, you can find your way into other stuff. So like maybe like don't like if you're actually looking to do that, don't be too restricted to like I have this one skill I'm good at. Just like be open to learning and get that money. Paisa time.
Do you want to see what post I actually put up?
Yeah.
That's the post. And then I wrote send in your questions. Yeah.
Oh wow, nice. Shout out Pranjal for taking that photo.
Oh,
It's a nice photo.
that's
Pranjal
a
Asha,
cute one.
shout out.
Because I couldn't find like a cute अच्छा सा ऐसा framed picture. So I was like मैं नीचे गई बहुत.
क्या?
And हाँ.
Why didn't you ask me? मैं कितने फोटो शूट्स किए हैं यार. भेज देता ऐसे बंडल्स में JPEGs.
नहीं मैंने कहा ऐसे ही डाल देती हूँ मैं, कोई बात नहीं. That's okay.
ठीक है यार. Just next time just ask. Okay.
Okay, so
Pictures,
before we end this podcast, I'd like to ask you a very important question. It is just
Okay.
for feedback purposes.
Okay.
What was
Yeah.
your first and current impression of Sukriti?
Shit, I need to think way back, yaar. I don't remember. I don't remember my first impression of you at all.
First impression
No,
was when we played PUBG, but you don't remember, but that's okay.
no. I remember playing PUBG with you, but like I don't remember like talking to you. Did we talk?
We did, but मैं थोड़ा कम बात करती हूँ, but ठीक है PUBG में.
हाँ तो तू भी कम बात करती है ना पबजी में. Even you've come to win or no?
Yeah,
है कि नहीं? That's why. हाँ. So that
because
was my first impression of you.
हाँ
Was like ये जीतने आई है, बकवास नहीं कर रही है.
हाँ because it's just that I'm too lazy to talk. That's it. I'm too
Oh
lazy to talk.
no. I'm focused into like getting kills and headshots. That's why. But my
हाँ
first
मैंने I
impression
see your
was
rank
इसको
and
भी.
everything.
I touched ace last season. So
I know.
yeah. What
इसलिए
are
तो
you?
नाम
What
भी
are you?
ऐसा रखा है कि ऐड भी नहीं कर सकते हो.
नहीं मेरे दो हैं. एक है बॉट किंग शयान, उस पे ऐड कर दो बॉट किंग शयान. ऐड मी बॉट किंग शयान, कैपिटल BKS. ठीक है, बहुत खेलेंगे.
मैं तो यार
But
आई इट्स बिन क्वाइट अ वाइल कि मैंने ढंग से खेला हो. मैं
oh,
डायमंड 1 से ऊपर आई हैवंट बिन.
okay. अभी like मैं ना like I've been playing with my squad S209. Shout out S209.
हाँ ये
So it's
इसका
just like
यूजर नेम पे भी है ना. The same thing.
so
Yeah.
it's just like four dudes. When I say like it's a clan, it's just four dudes, out of which one dude I think is retired. But we play and like हम बहुत sweaty खेलते हैं ऐसे like अरे अरे 350 से अबे जल्दी कर. But then like I think we are sweaty, but then like कभी like when we kill someone, कभी जब गालियां सुनने को आती है ना ऑल चैट पे, तभी मुझे समझ में आता है like actually we are damn chill.
हाँ
हम लोग ठीक ही है, हम लोग
that
ऐसे
is true.
नॉर्मल ही है ऐसा कुछ. Yeah, so yeah, but like yeah, first impression of you was इसको kills चाहिए. But now after talking to you,
अब
like
इसको
I
दिल
feel like
चाहिए.
मेरे मुंह से बात छीन ली तूने. Shit.
अब इसको दिल चाहिए. Oh
That's
God. Okay.
exactly what I was gonna say. Amul
Guys.
cool vibes. Kill your. No, that was totally different. Never mind.
Hey, what is
Let's
the
chill here,
like?
bro.
How was the podcast? कैसा लगा? How was it the
It's
conversation?
great, man. Like I don't know. Like I don't really do this much like online. I think I've just like ever done like one of these before. So like the first one I did also like I really enjoyed, and this one also like I really enjoyed. And yeah, like I feel like I've learned so much about myself today. Like, because I'll tell you why, okay, Sukriti. Because like nobody is asking me these questions. So even
Hmm.
I'm not asking myself this. So only when you ask me, I'm like, that's how I
Nice.
actually feel about this shit. So yeah.
Okay.
So
Good question, Sukriti. Yes.
thank you for opening myself up to me. I am thankful.
Thank you
No, I
for
am
being
thankful.
here.
No, stop. No, I am thankful.
Guess this will go on forever.
Okay, fine. But I am thankful.
So we'll end this podcast now. Thank you so much for
Okay.
being here,
Thank you
and
for having me, man.
people who are
Oh, I
listening
forgot
this.
to tell you, I love
Huh?
your glasses, man. I forgot to tell
Thanks.
you, I love your spec. Killer frames. Killer frames.
Thank you. मैं पता है इतनी
Killer
सुंदर होके
frames
आई
and
हूँ क्योंकि
shot.
मेरे को तो सुंदर लगना ही पड़ेगा. मैंने इसलिए मेकअप किया है. जनरली आई डोंट पुट मेकअप. सो
Oh, मैंने भी लगाया है. ये देखो.
हाँ
हाँ, it's
कहा.
natural. It's called natural blush by L'Oreal.
Oh God. Okay. हाँ वैसे do you
L'Oreal,
do
call me for influencer marketing, L'Oreal.
have you वैसे you have done makeup वैसे for the videos and everything?
Yeah, but like mostly I was fucking it up. Like I don't think I've done proper makeup. Like I don't know if you've seen it. If you haven't, like as someone who does makeup, you might get triggered. So watch it at
Oh,
your own risk. So
you should. That's your content now.
what makeup?
Doing your
Okay,
makeup on your own.
I would love to be a beauty blogger. Actually, I don't think I have the skills though. But L'Oreal, call me. That's all I would like to say. That's it.
Anyway, so we're gonna end this podcast now. People who are listening this on Spotify, follow kar lo. Listening this on
Please
Apple
follow Sukriti
Podcast.
Grover on Spotify right now.
Yes, guys. And Apple
Please.
Podcast, Google
And
Podcast, हर
Apple
जगह,
and Google. हाँ, और
everywhere.
कहाँ पे है तुम्हारा?
Subscribe everywhere.
You have like nice like full network of podcasts you have. But yeah, just follow Sukriti everywhere. Please follow her right now. Stop it. You can't see on video, but she's dancing. She is dancing. Just follow her. She's working really hard. Thank you, guys.
Also, guys, follow this one. 100K करा दो जल्दी से.
Follow me, please, and call me if you are a brand. Just call me. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Chalo, we can stop recording now.
Okay.